Hi, and welcome to another installment of Math Basics, Mr. Besh. I just love these problems where we have to work our way backwards, right? This is an example like we've done one before where we've done the circumference here, but this time, look what we got. We got the area of a circle. There it is. There's my area of a circle. Now, when they give you the area of a circle, the first thing you should be thinking about is how did they get the area in the first place? And that means the formula. What is the formula? What do we do? What do we multiply together to make 12.56? And here you go. There are three things that we multiply together. First off, you multiply by pi, which is 3.14. And then what we do is then we multiply by the radius and then by the radius again. That's this part right here. We also refer to that as being radius to the second power or radius squared. And all that simply is the radius times the radius. So now when we know what the area is, when they tell us that the area is 12.56, and we know we got it by multiplying things together, then if you want to unravel this and work our way backwards, or like I say, walking backwards, you do the opposite of what you did to get it in the first place. So the opposite of multiplying is dividing. Now, let's be honest, there's only one number that I know right now, and that is pi. So I'm going to take my 12.56, and I'm going to divide this guy by pi, 3.14. And look what I get. I end up getting 4. Now, 4 is this, what's left over in that math problem. 4 is r times r, or the radius times the radius. Now, a lot of you look at it and say the answer, say, oh, I see that. The radius in this problem is going to be 2 because 2 times 2 makes 4. Correct. But let's just say we did this math problem and the number that you got is not one that you know off the top of your head. It's not one that you were just spit out the answer. So now what you got to do is the operation in math to figure out what this is, to figure out what number times itself makes the value we're looking for, is called the square root symbol. So now this is what you use. So you want to identify that. You want to find that on your calculator. You want to make sure you know how to use that, because that button right there, that operation, will allow you to find out any number, whether there's decimals or not, what times itself makes the value underneath that bracket. Either way, this is what it's asking for. What's the radius? The radius is 2 in this problem. And this is how we work backwards when we know the area and we have to find the radius. I hope you found this video both helpful and informative.